Bluetooth audio connection between the Altea DUO 10A28 amplifier and a mobile device. We have to go to the wireless audio menu, and we are now going to create a master link between the iPad and the amplifier. Create new link, and here we are going to select left plus right. This is going to be sending the two channels of the Bluetooth audio source to the amplifier. We have to connect our iPad to the Altea DUO 10 with the ID numbers shown on the display and wait for the connection. It is already done, so now we are going to be able to launch audio to the system. Remember that pot on channel number 1 is going to control the level of the Bluetooth plus the gain controls of the iPad. Here it appears on channel number 1, okay? Remember that Bluetooth audio connections are controlled with the potentiometer on channel number 1.